Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best photo album is probably one of the most thoughtful and personal gifts you can give this Valentine's Day, allowing you to capture and cherish your most precious memories together in a tangible and beautiful way, far surpassing the fleeting nature of digital photos or generic presents. Number 5. Wanateber Explosion Box DIY Gift. Introducing the Wanateber Explosion Box, a unique way to capture and present your most cherished memories. It starts as a simple gift box, but unfolds into a beautiful display of your shared moments. This isn't just any gift box. When opened, it reveals a multi-layered card, creating a stunning visual surprise. It's designed to hold your photos and special mementos. Looking for an extra special touch? Place a small surprise gift, like a ring or necklace, inside the central compartment for an unforgettable reveal. With space for over 20 photos and special cards to write on, you can personalize it to tell your unique love story. Let your loved one feel your heartfelt emotions through this handmade gift. This makes the perfect gift for engagements, weddings, anniversaries, birthdays, Valentine's Day, and any occasion where love is celebrated. When opened, it measures 13.8 foot x 13.8, providing ample space for photos and decorations. It folds down to a compact 4.7 foot x 4.7 x 4.7 for easy gifting. Your DIY explosion box comes with everything you need to create a stunning gift, including magic cards, graffiti cards, ribbons, stickers, and adhesive tape. What we like? This option offers a unique multi-layered reveal with a hidden surprise box inside, perfect for a truly memorable Valentine's Day. If you're looking for a gift that keeps on giving and has an extra special element of surprise, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who want to present not just photos, but also a small, meaningful token. What people say. This album has a sturdy cover and thick pages, perfect for holding photos securely. The design is classic and elegant, making it a beautiful keepsake for special memories. It's a good size for displaying a variety of photos without being too bulky. Number 4. Wanateber Explosion Box. Introducing the Wanateber Explosion Box, a unique and heartfelt way to store your precious memories. It's the perfect assembled gift, ready for your personal touch. This photo box comes mostly assembled, saving you time and effort. Simply add your favorite photos and a few personal touches to make it uniquely yours. Unfold it to reveal a cascade of memories and a special inner box for an extra surprise. It's designed to create a double layer of excitement for your loved one. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, Valentine's Day, or wedding, this gift is sure to impress. It's a wonderful way to express your love and appreciation. The box unfolds to a generous size, perfect for displaying multiple photos. The inner box is also thoughtfully sized for a small keepsake or message. It comes with fun cards, stickers, ribbons, and more to help you create a stunning presentation. You'll have everything you need to make it a truly memorable gift. We are confident you'll love this explosion box. If you have any questions or concerns, our customer service team is here to help you within 24 hours. What we like? This choice comes mostly assembled, saving you precious time and effort on Valentine's Day. If you're short on time but still want to create a personalized and impactful gift, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for those who appreciate convenience without sacrificing the handmade feel. What people say. This album is perfect for storing photos from our special moments. The design is elegant and it holds a good number of pictures. It's a beautiful way to keep memories organized and accessible. Number 3. Adventure Book Scrapbook Photo Album. Capture your most cherished moments in this beautifully crafted adventure book. Its embossed cover adds a unique, tactile dimension to your memories. Fill its pages with the fond memories of your special days. This album is perfect for commemorating everything from weddings to travels. Use it as a wedding planner, a surprise for loved ones, or a place to collect all your wonderful memories. It's a handmade DIY scrapbook waiting for your personal touch. Transform it into your family adventure album. Cut, paste, and add your own comments to bring your stories to life. It makes a great gift for any occasion, including Christmas, anniversaries, birthdays, and Valentine's Day. Preserve your travels and adventures with this versatile album. This album is designed to beautifully showcase your keepsakes. Its durable hardcover ensures your memories are protected for years to come. What we like. This album features a beautifully embossed cover that adds a touch of elegance and a tactile experience. If you're looking for a keepsake that feels substantial and tells a story from the moment you see it, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for documenting a shared journey or a significant life event like an anniversary or wedding. What people say. This album has a beautiful cover design that is perfect for Valentine's Day. The pages are thick and sturdy, holding photos securely without bending. It includes plenty of space for writing captions next to each photo. Number 2. ECTY Creative Explosion Box, DIY Photo Album. Introducing the ECTY Creative Explosion Box, the perfect way to capture and store your most cherished memories. This upgrade version is designed for all your special occasions. Crafted from durable, sturdy cardboard, this album is built to withstand the test of time. Keep your photos and mementos safe for years to come. Measuring 11.5 by 9 by 2.5 inches, it offers ample space to beautifully display your photos and keepsakes. It's the ideal size for all your creative projects. This versatile box isn't just for pictures, it's perfect for organizing crafts, small keepsakes, and anything else you want to preserve. Let your imagination run wild. Get started right away. It arrives ready to assemble with clear instructions, making it easy for anyone to create a stunning personalized gift. Make any celebration unforgettable. It's the ideal gift for birthdays, anniversaries, Valentine's Day, weddings, and any other special moment you want to commemorate. What we like. This option is built with durable cardboard, ensuring your memories are well protected for years to come. If you need a sturdy and reliable way to store and present your photos for special occasions, this is a great pick. It's ideal for those who prioritize longevity and a robust construction for their memory book. What people say. The album is designed to hold 4 by 6 photos, with 2 photos per page. It includes 100 photo capacity, which is great for storing many memories. The cover is made of durable faux leather and features a cute heart design, perfect for Valentine's Day. Number 1. Love Genuine Leather 4 by 6 Photo Album. Introducing our premium photo album, designed to beautifully preserve your cherished memories. Its large capacity ensures you can store all your favorite moments. Crafted from genuine leather, this album offers a soft, natural feel with no chemical odors. It's built to last, accompanying you through life's precious moments. With space to write alongside your photos, you can add personal notes and stories. This makes each memory even more special and unique. Featuring a 6-ring binder, you can easily rearrange pages or add more. This allows you to customize the album to your exact needs. Its ideal size makes it easy to carry on your travels or display at home. It's a beautiful addition to any space. This album makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion, from Valentine's Day to birthdays. It's a wonderful way to celebrate family, friendships, and life's milestones. What we like. Crafted with a genuine leather cover, this album offers a luxurious feel and exceptional durability. If you're seeking a classic and high-quality photo album that can hold a large number of memories and be expanded upon, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who appreciate the timeless appeal of leather and want a long-lasting repository for their most cherished moments. What people say. The album has a sturdy cover and thick pages, perfect for holding photos securely. It features a classic design that complements any decor, making it a timeless keepsake. The pages are acid-free, ensuring your photos won't fade or degrade over time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.